Tutorials. In this video, I will let you know how to set up e-invoice in our software. As presenting our software, here is the client list of our software. In this list, you can see the all clients. If we want to modify, then firstly we select the clients, then go to receiver tab. In this tab, all the receivers will appear here. If we want to add and modify any of receivers details, then we have to firstly select and then modify receivers details. In this section, we just need their GSTN number, and after filling this field, we can import all the details from GSTN websites. After filling this form, we have to update this receivers details. After filling all receivers details, we have to select invoices tabs. In this tab, we can find all the sections like B2B, B2CL, and B2CS. Also, we can check the uploaded e-invoices, pending e-invoices, uploaded e-way bills, pending e-way bills, and total number of invoices. All the invoices, like total invoices here mentioned 9, then you can check the number of records available here. If we want to see the details, then we have to select the particular section and click on details option. In this option, each and every invoices will shows there. If we want to modify or submit the all informations regarding e-invoicing, then we have to firstly select the particular invoice, then we need to go modify option. In this segment, we just need to fill all the bill information. Then we can see the invoice details bar. Here is the consignee detail. If we want to fill the shipping addresses, then we need to fill this form, then save. If we want to fill export related details, then we have to fill this form, then we have to save. If we want to fill all transport related details, then we go to transport related details and we can save these form. If we need to submit the payment details, then we have to save the all payment related details. If we need dispatch details, contract details, additional details, and document details, then we have to fill all the details from this section also. And then after, we have to update these information from this section. After this, we have to go setup option. This is the most important part of this software. Here we can select the year, and we can set the date range also for our particular client and GSTN number. Here all the configuration settings appears below. If we need to change e-invoice details, then we have select, and the particulars will shows this side. If these are the mandatory, then our software automatically checked yes. Like this, there are many configurations like e-way bill details, bill form dispatch, transformations, related details. Like if there's something mandatory and non-mandatory parts, then this section will automatically deselect the non-mandatory parts. If you want to show or fill the non-mandatory parts, then you have to firstly check this block and you have to save the information properly. Then you have properly updated your invoices. This is the short description video of our e-invoice software.